Is the text on your Samsung Galaxy phone too small to read comfortably? In this short guide, I'll show you how to make the text bigger, clearer and easier to see. Your screen may look slightly different depending on your Samsung model and software version. Let's begin. First, open the Settings app on your Samsung phone. Look for the gear-shaped Settings icon and tap it. Inside Settings, scroll down and tap Display. This is where you can change how text and other items appear on your screen. Now tap Font Size and Style. This menu allows you to change the size and appearance of the text on your Samsung phone. Move the font size slider slowly to the right. As you move it, the sample text at the top of the screen will become larger. Stop when the text feels comfortable and easy for you to read. You can also turn on bold font. This optional setting makes the letters thicker and may make them easier to see. Use it if regular text still looks too thin. You did it! The text on your Samsung phone should now be larger and more comfortable to read. You can return to these settings at any time and adjust the size again. Thank you for watching Simply Senior Guide. Subscribe for more simple phone tutorials and helpful technology tips for life after 65.